Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove dark neck and get rid of dark neck, dark underarms and dark elbows and knees with very simple ingredients, my friends. It is super effective remedy and will get you rid of dark underarms, and it whiten the dark underarms in just 5 minutes, and it's super effective and super helpful. The first ingredient we need to add in a clean mixing bowl, we need any white toothpaste. Here I have Signal toothpaste. You can use Colgate toothpaste. Any white toothpaste will work for you. Then we need to add on it half teaspoon of salt, then we need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and mix well all the ingredients. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together, our magical remedy is ready. Now we need a lemon, and cut the lemon in half like so. And we need half a lemon like so. Now apply the remedy on the dark place like that, underarm, and massage the skin with it like so. And then with a lemon, with half lemon, start scrubbing the skin and massage the skin for 5 minutes. Add on the remedy like so and keep massaging the skin for 5 minutes. It will whiten the skin tone naturally. Squeeze the lemon a little bit to get the fresh lemon juice. And it's going to whiten your skin tone naturally. Now, after finishing scrubbing the skin for 5 minutes with an aid of tissue paper, wipe off the remedy like so. To see the result, and it's going to whiten the skin tone naturally for you. It is super effective.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.